श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारंभां शंकराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरं लोकशंकरम्। ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। थोड़ा हमिंग आ रहा है, वेरी लेस। So, what is the meaning of so kamayata bahusyam prajayayeti prajayayeta? So, namarupatmakam idam jagat saha srushtavan. He became the creator of all these names and forms. How he manifested the latent names and forms in the total consciousness were manifested. Okay, next. Then अतः तद्वारेण एव आत्मा बहु भवति. What is the meaning of बहु bhavanam that we saw? Next. Saha. So now we will just read this paragraph. Nahi atmanah anyad anatma bhutam tat pravibhakta desha kalam sukshmam vyavahitam viprakrishtam bhutam bhavat bhavishyadva vastu vidyate. अतः नामरूपे सर्वावस्थे ब्रह्मणा एव आत्मवती न ब्रह्म तदात्मकं ते तत्प्रत्याख्याने नस्त एव इति तदात्मके उच्यते. ताभ्यां च उपादिभ्यां ज्ञातृ ज्ञेय ज्ञान शब्दार्थादि सर्वसंव्यवहार भाग ब्रह्म. So ultimately the Brahma, the names and forms are depending on the Brahma for their existence, not Brahman on them. And then tabhyam cha upadibhyam, only because of these two upadhis. The jnatru jneya jnana shabda arthadi sarva samvyavahara bhag Brahma. So Brahman became factor, important factor, because whenever in all the transactions as knower, knowledge, the Triputi, seer, smell, seeing, in all these transactions, Brahman is a common factor. तो हवा कम कर दीजिए सर, हमिंग आ रही है थोड़ा. So Brahma is the common factor, meaning sarva samvyavahara bhag Brahma. It means what? Jnatru jneya jnana shabdarthadi. You know the words, whatever we use in all the transactions, Brahma became important factor. Why? Without Brahman, nothing exists. Neither knower, nor the known, nor the knowing. So he is a common player in everything. Names and forms sustained by Brahma. In all the transactions, the Triputi is again sustained by Brahma Vastu. Saha Atma evam kamaha, having such a desire, sa atma evam kamaha san tapaha atapyata, tapotapyata means tapaha iti jnana muchyate. Now here tapas is jnanamayam tapas, because Upanishad says yasya jnanamayam tapaha, Mundaka Upanishad we saw. iti srutyantarat. No, that, see, again, just as we divided desire into two, one is born out of abundance, other is seeking for fulfillment. Similarly, tapas. Bhagavan's tapas is jnanamayam tapas. Yasya jnanamaya tapaha. Yasya jnanamayam tapaha. Here tapyata means he desired, having such a desire in him. What was the desire? Bahusyam prajayeya utpadya. How did he create? Namarupatmakam. How did he create names and forms? Latent forms, latent which are latent in him are manifested. Okay. Now, for this he did tapas. What is tapas here? Jnanamayam tapaha. So, tapas means for our level, everywhere except Paramatma tapas, every other tapas is in the form of seeking, again, wisdom, in the form of empowerment. We perform tapas to empower ourselves. This is a very important point. And for which, in other meaning, empowerment through discipline is called as tapas. What do we that empowerment? Empowerment means we empower ourselves. We become fit. In order to become fit, in order to empower ourselves, we need to go through certain rigorous disciplines. The discipline in the form of what? That tapas described in Mahabharatam, Shanti Parva. Manasascha indriyanam chahi aikagriyam tapaha. The concentration of the both the sensory energies and mental energy, meaning senses and mind, if they are brought under strict control, brought into a focus, they are sharpened, all of them are together focusing on one object. That is called concentration. So what is tapas here? Concentration is considered as tapas. What is concentration? Concentration of mind and sense organs. Manasascha indriyanam hi aikagriyam tapaha. It is mentioned there in Shanti Parva. Now, come to the point. So, in our case, tapas is what? Infusing into ourselves a discipline. Right? Whenever we want to infuse in ourselves some discipline, we have to deny something. So, tapas is called as denial of the lower things. We have to deny the lower things and try to gain higher things. So what did he say? Tapas is our empowerment of ourselves. Right? It is discipline to achieve some objective. It is also called achieving concentration through the sensory control and mind control. So these are all the definitions of tapas. In the case of Paramatma, he had no need for him to do all this kind of tapas. His tapas was jnanamayam tapaha. Wonderful. The nature of his tapas is pure knowledge. What is the difference now here? Acharya says, aptakamatvat cha itarasya asambhava eva tapasaha. Now see, because he is aptakama. Aptakama means one in whom all desires are fulfilled, meaning one in whom there are no desires, eruption of desires are not there. Because he is aptakama, purna purushaha, aptakami. Because he is aptakama, aptakamatvat, so there is the no possibility of other tapas in him. Other tapas means where it is not jnanamayam tapas. In our case, it is not Jnanamayam tapas. So our kind of tapas is impossible in Brahman. Why is Aptakama? I told you, tapas is to fulfill ourselves, to seek something, to seek the higher, to empower ourselves through discipline. Now, Paramatma case in Brahma, this is not required. He is Aptakama. So, for him, tapas is not required. Therefore, the tapas in any other sense cannot be applied to Brahman. No other possibility of defining tapas in another way is possible in Brahman. It is not possible. That's the beauty. So, aptakamatvat cha itarasya asambhavayeva tapasaha. Other kinds of tapas is impossible in him. So now what is the possibility of tapas then? It has to be necessarily a Jnanamaya tapas. Now I said he had a desire in abundance to show. Now that sankalpa, in order to manifest, he had to think. He had to think means what? See, Acharya says, Tat tapaha atapyata taptavan. That tapas, tat tapa means that tapas. Jnanamayam tapas, atapyata taptavan. Tapapyata means taptavan. That tapas he practiced. Which tapas? Jnanamayam tapaha. Now, Jnanamayam tapaha means what now? So, it is not to fulfill. It is not to gain something. He is Aptakami. So, he don't have to have any discipline for himself. He is a Purna Brahma. Then, what is it he thinks? His tapas says, Srujyamana Jagat Rachanadi Vishayam Alochanam Akarod Atma Ityartaha. Srujyamana Jagat, that Jagat which is being created, which is to be created or which is being created. Srujyamana Jagat, Rachana, Jagat Rachanam. Wonderful. So the creation which is being created, how to bring it out? So the subject matter was how to create. So it became Jnanamayam tapas. It is not in seeking. Now, for example, see, I will explain to you in a simple way. One is, we have a desire to seek wealth through different means, is one kind of tapas. मेहनत करके पैसा कमाना है, माने इसका मतलब क्या है? आप अपने में बहुत सारे तप करना पड़ता है. You have to sacrifice your personal enjoyments. You have to be very busy in thinking, in business, in expanding business, in marketing, whatever way you do. Okay, that is one kind of tapas. You got so much wealth, mind-boggling. So there is no desire for you to possess more. Somehow that is saturated. Yet, if you want to spend that money, utilize for the public constructively, then you should start thinking where I should invest or where I should donate, how this wealth can be utilized for the public. In that way, it becomes Jnanamaya tapas. That tapas is Jnanamayam tapas. किसको देने से इसका फायदा होता है, इसका सदुपयोग होगा. संपत्ति का हमारा जो इतना पैसा इकट्ठा किया है, किसको देने से सदुपयोग होता है, उसके लिए आप सोचते हैं कि नहीं? सोचना पड़ता है. That soch that is there, it is not born out of emptiness. It is not born out of seeking something. It is not born out of begging. It is not born out of with a desire to fulfill yourself. It is born out of to share that knowledge, out of that wisdom to share. Therefore, you start thinking what is suitable. ऑर्फनेज जाओगे आप, यहाँ पे इनके लिए क्या चाहिए, कौन सी चीज़ दान देने से इनके लिए उपयोग होता है, इनका उपयोग होगा। अब यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, कपड़ा देना है क्या? नहीं सर, कपड़े बहुत है। फिर इनको क्या उपयोग है? पंखा चाहिए। आप सोच के जब दान देते हैं ना, बिकॉज यू हैव एम्प्टी, दैट इज कॉल्ड थिंकिंग। देयरफॉर परमात्मा, in order to provide as per their karma, what are the things to be provided in this creation for the jivas? मैं ऐसे ऐसे बता दिया मैंने, जैसे बाबा आप जो बिजनेस आप शुरू कर, पैसा बहुत है, अब बिजनेस शुरू करने वाले हैं, फिर ये सोचता है कि यहाँ का लोगों का क्या मेंटालिटी है, कौन से चीज पसंद करते हैं खाने में। The purpose is not to just open a shop and keep quiet. It should be utilized. So I don't want to create a creation which is not going to be helpful to the impending jivas who are waiting to fulfill their vasanas, the individual souls who are bound. So उनके लिए कर रहा हूं मैं. So it has to be done for them. Therefore, his tapas became jnanamayam tapaha. अब इससे पैसा कमाते समय या कमाने से पहले आप जो तप किया होगा, उस तप नीच तपस. Because you are begging, you are tired, you are getting stressed out, you are desiring to fulfill yourself, competition, comparison. देखिए, कुछ किताब पढ़ लिया आपने, किताब का सारा ज्ञान सीखते समय वो अलग तपस है. सीखने के बाद इसको किस तरीके से लोगों में बांट जाए, तो दूसरा तप करना पड़ता है. तो सुनने वाला कौन है हमारे सामने? तो उनके लिए ये उपनिषद, तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद, आप जो बैठ गए हैं, आपके स्तर पर, आपके स्थाई के अनुसार किस रीति से बताना पड़ेगा इस उपनिषद को. ये भी मेरा सोच है. यही उपनिषद यदि दूसरों को लेते हैं, नए नए लोगों को, फिर उनका व्याख्यान अलग हो सकता है, तो आपके लिए अलग है. और सही ढंग से शास्त्र पढ़ने वाला, उनका व्याख्यान बिल्कुल अलग ही होता है. माने सही ढंग से, माने व्याकरण युक्त, व्युत्पत्ति अर्थ सहित, ग्रामर सहित. तो धीरे 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 एक एक कोटेशन लेके, एक एक उपनिषद का करके, फिर उपनिषद का उच्चर्चा करके, सिद्धांत पकड़ के. इसका मतलब क्या है? ज्ञान प्राप्त करने के बाद भी आपको तब करना पड़ता है, यदि इफ यू वांट टू शेयर विद दिस वर्ल्ड. दैट इज व्हाट. सो सृज्यमान जगत रचनाद विषयाम आलोचनाम अकरोद आत्मा इत्यर्थः. He started thinking a plan. Rachana means plan. He started planning how to bring this creation. Why? It is meant for jivas. So therefore, saha evam alotya tapaha taptva prani karmadi nimitta anurupam idam sarvam jagad asheshataha kalataha namna rupena cha yathanubhavam sarvaihi pranabhihi सर्व अवस्थैहि अनुभूयमानम असृजता सृष्टवान इदम जगत. इदम जगत में यद इदम किंच यद किंच, वॉट एवर इट इज. सह, दैट परमात्मा, एवं आलोच्य, he does, he having thought in this way. He thought that what kind of plan, the blueprint of the creation, because every kalpa is a creation. Every kalpa, कल्पांतर ब्रह्मा जी, वन डे एंडिंग, नेक्स्ट डे अगेन क्रिएशन बिगिन्स. तो सोचना पड़ता है आज का एजेंडा क्या है, बिकॉज ईच कल्प इज वन डे इन ब्रह्मा एज, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा. वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ ईश्वर, परमेश्वर. सो सृज्यमान जगत, यू विल थिंक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ब्रह्मा आल्सो हैज टू बी अपॉइंटेड फॉर दिस क्रिएशन. सो एवं आलोच्य तपः तप्त्वा प्राणि कर्मा. So according to the karma of the the beings, because their jivas are there. So according to the karma of the beings, anurupam idam sarvam jagat aseshataha, without any exception, this jagat, what you are seeing, what is it we are seeing? Kalataha, namna, rupena cha, together all these things along with the space, along with the time, along with the name, along with the form, yata anubhavam sarvai pranibihi, as is being presently experienced by all the beings, this jagat which you are experiencing, pranibihi, sarvavastaihi, under all conditions, that which jagat which is experienced by all of us under all conditions, nidravastha mein wo apna jagat hai, everything in all conditions, whatever this jagat which we are seeing and experiencing, sarva avastaihi anubhuyamanam asrujata srushtavan. So therefore, yasya jnanamayam tapaha. So, srujyamana jagat rachanadi vishayam alochanam akarod atma ityartaha. For what purpose? Out of compassion for the jivas. Yadidam kincha, yad kincha idam avisishtam. Yadidam kincha meaning avisishtam, meaning without any exception. Whatever is this world, is there, creation is there, without exception. Everything has come out from him. And everything is planned. That's the meaning. Alochana, meaning what? Bhagwan एक जंतु को सृष्टि की, इसका भी अपना योगदान है सृष्टि में. ये विचार बहुत गंभीर विचार है, वो सही बात है, वो हमको पता नहीं लगता है actually speaking, but then there are already science, so many things we are able to understand a little bit of it. So no atom is manifested or existing in the universe without any purpose. Every atom that exists has its own role to play in the sustenance of the cosmos. To that precision, etkincha means precision. Well, as wee bit of it, whatever he had created, it has its own role to play. It has its own importance. That's the meaning yat kincha. Not only whatever wee bit, every bit of creation is created without exception. Not only deshataha, not only kalataha, but only the purpose of it also. So everybody has their own role to play. Imagine, see the planning, example I'll give you. At any given point of time, among the human beings in the world, you would not find a chunk of people devoid of vasanas of a particular occupation or a vritti. You socho कि all doctors vasanas, those wanted to become doctors in life, their vasanas to become doctor, vaidya vritti. Suppose no jiva is born as human being, now what will happen? सबको अपने अपने काम में रुचि है. किसी को कारपेंट्री काम पसंद है, किसी को प्लम्बर काम पसंद है, किसी को प्रवचन देने का पसंद है. माने दिस इज अ वासना, दिस बिग बैलेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड. Think. Suppose if one vasana type of people who are cooking vasana people, nobody is born. Now what will happen? Who will cook? तो कुछ लोगों में कुकिंग करने का इतना रुचि है, पूछो मत. That is required. Barber is required, plumber is required, carpenter is required. In entire, so every time you find the vasanas of all people which are required for the world, all human beings are born. कोई ना कोई मिल जाता है उसका एक काम करने के लिए. Think. But is it not his planning? That is the meaning of etkincha. Everything is taking into account. Like an expert lady of a house who takes care of every wee bit of functioning of the house with love and affection, ever active. Such role positively she plays in the house, and everybody respects for her sacrifice, love, and impartiality. Such a role, imagine. So Bhagavan is playing that role. He is too cautious, and cautious means not out of fear, too caring, that he takes care of every wee bit of it. Somewhere, some insect is giving birth to his own baby. Paramatma is helping the insect also in the delivery, in the growth of that insect in the womb. Whatever you call, there also Paramatma is taking care. He is providing food. He is providing shelter. Consciousness, supporting, consciously. That is the meaning of Yadidam Kincha. Tadidam Jagat Srashtva Kimakarod Ityuchyate. Having created this world, what did he do? Tadeva Srashtam Jagat Anupravishad iti. He entered into his own creation. Having created, he entered his creation. Now, this Shabda, Pravesha Shabda, word Pravesha, he is now discussed. Now, continuous, so many pages it runs into this word called Praveshaha. Tatra etat chintyam. Now, here this has to be contemplated, thought of. माने अभी इस पर हम सभी को नजर डालना होगा. इस विषय पर, इस बात पर हमको जरा सोच लगानी होगी, अपना सोच. तत्र एतत् चिंत्यम कथम अनुप्राविशत इति. हाउ डिड ही एंटर? दैट्स द मीनिंग. Because what it is, Upanishad says, idam sarvam jagat srishtva yadidam kincha tadevanupravishat. He entered into his own creation. Now, what is the meaning of pravesha? Now, this charcha begins. Now, kim yah srashta sa tena eva atmana anupravishat uta anyena iti. Kim tavad yuktam. Now, what is to be said regarding this? Now, that creator, having created, has he entered in his own form or in any other form? First question. और दूसरा रूप में, some other form, has he entered into creation or in his own? Kim yas srashta sa tena eva atmana anupravishad uta anyena iti. Kim tavad yuktam. Regarding this, what is to be said now? Has he entered in the same form or in any other form? In which form he entered? Tva pratyaya shravanat yasrashta sayevanu pravishaditi. Now, one thing is pure, correct, clear. Because here tva pratyaya is used. Tva pratyaya means having created. Srishtva, see? Satapodapyata, satapahat taptva, idagam sarvamasrujata, tat srishtva, tadevanupravishat. Tva pratyaya. Meaning, having created, having done, having eaten. That the pratyaya is used, ending. Since tva pratyaya is used, one thing is clear now. The one who created, he alone had entered. There is a grammar. Verbs and transitive verbs, so many verbs are there. Primary verb, secondary verb, mukhya verb. Having gone there, he ate food. Now, one who ate food, He ate food is a mukhya verb, ate. Having gone there, who? He himself. So the one who had gone there, he alone ate food. That is the meaning. The one who had gone and the one eater of food, they are not separate. Similarly, Sruštva Tadevano Pravishatu indicates, the Tva Pratyaya indicates, the creator alone had entered into his creation. There is nobody else. So therefore, there is identity, same similarity, not similarity, identity. Same person has entered. So Tva Pratyaya Sravanat, Yasrashta, the one who is the creator, he himself had entered into this Jagat. That much is clear. So how much analysis is there? Therefore, this much is clear that the one who is the creator, he alone had entered. ठीक है. That is clear. Now the Purva Pakshi asks a question. Nanu na yuktam murdvachet karanam brahma tadatmakatvat karyasya karanameva hi karyatmana parinitam iti atah apravishta iva karyotpattehe urdhvam pratak karanasya punah praveshaha anupapannaha. Yes. Now see, Nanu, one doubt, sir, objection. Na yuktam. It is not proper on your part to say that sa sruštva sadevanu pravishata. He entered, he alone entered. It is not possible. Because murdvachet karanam brahma. If we consider Brahma as the cause as mrudvad. Mrudvad means as a mud, as a clay, insentient matter. Suppose you consider Brahma as mrudvachet karanam brahma. If you take Brahma as mud, मिट्टी का एग्जाम्पल ले लेंगे, तदात्मकत्वात् कार्यस्य, and effects are non-different from the cause. Is it not? Mrudeva satyam. So mrud became pot, ghatam. So effects are always inseparable from the cause. We saw this. What is the effect? Pot. It can be never separated from the mud. Ornament can never be separated from the gold. So effects are never separated from the cause. So if Mrudvat Brahma is suppose is taken as clay, the effects, the Srishti is not separated from Brahma. It is one with Brahma. In that case, Karanameva hi Karyatmana Parinatam. That cause alone is transformed itself into effect. If this is the case, iti ataha, therefore, apraprishta iva, as though the cause has not entered into effect, as though it had not entered, re-entry into it, karyotpattehe urdhvam, having brought out an effect, as though it had not entered previously, if the same cause is re-entering into the effect, is looking like a joke. Is it not? So, utpattehe urdhvam pratak karanasya, as though some other cause, as though something else, as though it not entered, karanasya pratak again, punah praveshaha. What is the punah pravesha again? Gold became ornament, thereafterwards gold entered into ornament again. What is this punah pravesha? Brahma is created, this Jagat. All these effects are inseparable from Brahman. Then again to talk about Brahman's entry into the effect is not acceptable. What did Bhagavan say? Start with Tatra etat chintiyam. This has to be thought. What is thinking now here? Katham anupravishad iti. How did he enter? Pravesha Shabda. What is the meaning of Pravesha? So, why Pravesha Anupapannaha? Nahi Ghata Parinama Vyatirekena Mrudaha Ghate Praveshaha Asti. There is no other entry possible for the clay to enter into pot other than clay transforming itself into pot. See? Ghata Parinama Vyatirekena. Other than being transformed itself into pot, no other entry of the clay into the pot is admissible. actually. Then somebody said, imagine, someone said, Yatha gate churnatmana mrudo anupraveshaha evam anyena atmana namarupakari anupravesha atmana iti chet. Therefore, he himself is applying. Purvapakshi says that because this way is not possible, then Yatha gate churnatmana mrudaha. But in the same pot, mud can enter as powder. Powder of mud can enter into the pot. So powder is one form of the mud. Wet clay is another form of the mud. So with one form of mud, clay is made. In another form, the mud is entering into the clay. Iti chet, if you say so. Ghate chornatmana mrudo anupraveshaha. Evam, thus, anyena atmana namarupa karye anupraveshaha atmanaha. So thus, anyena atmana, by some other self, the self in another form. Anyena atmana namarupa karye, the effects are namarupa. In that, in another form, he entered. Anupravesha atmanaha iti chet, if you say so like this. Because Shruti also says, Shrutyantaracha, anena jivena atmana anupravishyaha. The Paramatma entered into Namarupa as Jiva. Upanishad says. So, Jiva Rupena, Paramatma, Namarupam idam Jagat, whatever is there, in the Namarupa Jagat, Jivena, as Jiva, he entered into this own Jagat again. If you say so. Just as mud as granules can be poured into the pot. So in every pot of Upadhi, Paramatma entered as Jiva. Siddhanti Acharya says, na, not possible. Evam yuktam ekatvat brahmanaha. This is not possible because Brahma is one without the second. Now ultimately the Purvapakshi would be frustrated in the end and he gives up. Then Acharya takes up and says, what is the meaning of Pravesha? Because the word what we understand Pravesha and what is the meaning of Pravesha, Shruti, according to Shruti, Acharya was required for us to understand. So that we देखिए arguments कैसे चलता है. Na evam yuktam ekatvat brahmanaha. Because Brahman is one without the second, this is inadmissible. This is not possible. Why? In any other, because Brahma is one. In other case, mrudatmanastu anekatvat savayavatvach yuktaha gate mrudaha churnatmana anupraveshaha. In the case of mud, it is possible. Why? Because mud is mrudatmanastu anekatvat. Lumps of clay are many. Each lump of clay, there are many. Sa avayavatvat, it has parts. The clay has different parts. And you can make different parts of clay. One in powder, one in liquid, whatever it is. Different manifestation of the clay are available. So, sa avayavatvacha yuktaha. Now it is possible in the case of pot. Gate mrudaha churnatmana anupraveshaha is possible. Meaning, the mud in the form of granules entering into the pot is possible because mud has different forms. But Brahman has no many forms like that. Like here, clay in the form of wet mud, clay in the form of pot, clay in the form of powder. Lay there Brahman in the form of this, Brahman in the form of that. There's so many Brahmans, when so many forms of Brahman are not available. Brahma is one. So because Brahma is one without the second, what example you gave, like mud entering the granules, entering a Jivatmana, like a Jiva he entered into the Nama Rupa Jagat. So Brahman in the form of Jiva entered, as though Brahman has two forms. Brahman as pure Brahman, Brahman as Jiva. inadmissible. Mrudu churnasya apravishta deshavatvacha. Moreover, in the case of mud, mrudu churnaha, in the case of the granules of mud, there are places on the earth it is not occupied by the granules. The mud powder, there are so many places, unoccupied places, unoccupied by the mud powder. Therefore, mud powder can enter into it. In the case of Brahman, there is no unoccupied place by Brahman. So, where will he enter? नतु आत्मनः एकत्वे सति निरवयवत्वात् अप्रविष्ट देश अभावात् च प्रवेश उपपद्यते. Therefore, प्रवेश of Atma is impossible. Why? Because ekatve sati, since Atman is one, niravayavatvat, because it is one, there are no parts in it. Therefore, apraveshta desha abhavatcha, and there are no places left where it was not occupied by the Atma. Therefore, pravesha is not possible. In this way, what you thought of pravesha, you are arguing, not possible. Katham tarhi pravesha syat? The question is, the Guru asked it, suppose. Then, because I disproved your thought, katham tarhi pravesha syat? Then how did he enter? What is the meaning of entry? Entry, how did the entry took place? Yuktascha pravesha srutatvat tadevanu paramishati iti. Because Shruti Mata said, you cannot deny the statement again. The statement said, tadeva anupravishat. He created and he entered into his own creation. So this statement is yukta, correct only. Because Shruti Mata said, so you cannot deny Shruti. Purvapakshi, sir, in that case, sa avayamayo astu tarhi. Then let the Brahman be with parts only. Chalo, we will redefine Brahman. Because he entered, he must be having parts. आप क्या झंझट में परेशान में डालते हो? चलो ये मानते हैं, Brahma is having lot of parts, and therefore, how did he enter? Sa avayavatvat. Now, therefore, you already took it for granted. Sa avayavatvat. On account of its having parts in Brahman. Mukhe hasta praveshavat. Like in the mouth, hand entered. Because this is one part, this is one part. So, mukhe hasta praveshavat. Like a hand goes into the mouth. नाम रूपकार्ये जीवात्मना अनुप्रवेश युक्त है एवं इति चेत. सर लेट अस एक्सेप्ट नाउ. आप परेशान मत करना. आप ऐसा सोच लीजिए कि जीवात्मना, जीव रूपेण परमात्मा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जीव. क्यों भाई? मैंने बताया कि ब्रह्म एकत्वात्. नो नो नो, मैं वो माना ही मानता हूँ. लेट अस एक्सेप्ट ब्रह्मन एज पार्ट्स, हैविंग पार्ट्स. व्हाई? अदरवाइज वी वुड बी डिसरेस्पेक्टिंग श्रुति. If you accept Brahma as one, you prove to me that entry is possible, impossible. So दूसरा रास्ता क्या है? ब्रह्म एक है, मगर ब्रह्म एक होने से प्रवेश का असंभव. मगर प्रवेश, श्रुति माता कहती है कि अनुप्राविशत, ये एंटर्ड. इसका मतलब यही हो सकता है. अब इसमें दो गलती हो सकती है. एक गलती हो सकती है तो ब्रह्मन एकत्व, ब्रह्मन इज वन, तो ये गलती हो सकती है, ये गलत हो सकती है. दूसरा गलती क्या है? गलत क्या है? वन इज ब्रह्मन इज वन विदाउट द सेकेंड. न तो श्रुति गलत है. अनुप्राविशत, श्रुति सेड एंटर्ड ना. सो बताइए आप, हु इज फॉल्ट? मन हु, वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम? Do you accept Brahman as parts? No. Then Shruti wrong. No, Shruti is correct that Brahman is having parts. आप ये दो सिद्धांत पकड़ के श्रुति को भी आप सम्मान गौरव देना चाहते हैं और ब्रह्म को भी टुकड़ा टुकड़ा नहीं करना चाहते आप, तो ये दोनों असंभव। हो गई बात। सो नाम रूप कार्य, इन द नाम रूप कार्यम effects which are called names and forms, जीवात्मना अनुप्रवेशो युक्तः एव इति चेत, therefore the entry of Brahman in the form of a jiva into the names and forms must and should be supported or upheld. This siddhanta you must accept. ओ गुरु जल्दी एक्सेप्ट कर लो, ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम हो रहा है। ना, I will not agree. Why? Ashunya deshatvat. There is no empty space, no? There is no empty space where Brahman would enter. मैंने बता दिया पहले ही। अशून्य देशत्वात्। नहीं कार्यात्मना परिणतस्य नाम रूप कार्य देश व्यतिरेकेण आत्मशून्य प्रदेशो अस्ति यम प्रविशेत जीवात्मना। कार्यात्मना परिणतस्य नाम रूप कार्य देश व्यतिरेकेण, that Brahman which has transformed itself into effects. Transformed means appearing as effects, which is appearing as effects, nama rupa, because of the Brahman Maya magic. Actually there is no parinama, but parinama is only illusory. But even karyatmana parinatasya nama rupa karya desha vyatirekena, nama rupa karya, the effect desha vyatirekena atma shunya pradesho asti. Apart from this nama rupa parinam, is changed and transforms them into names and forms, into effects and all those effects. Apart from that, there is no other place left for Brahman to enter in the form of a jiva. जगह बचा नहीं। सो जीवात्म रूपेण नाम रूपात्मकम नाम रूपे नाम names and forms he created. So the Brahman is brought out the latent names and forms and he created all this. बट बाद में कोई जगह नहीं है इसके अलावा और कुछ जगह बाकी है क्या जीव रूपेण उसमें भी एंटर करने के लिए? नहीं है। कारणमेव चेत प्रविशेत जीवात्मत्वम जहियात। नो 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 सर, आप गलत समझ रहे हो। प्रवेश शब्द वी विल रीडिफाइन इट। माने क्या है? नहीं, कारणम द कॉज, द एंट्री ऑफ कॉज इनटू द इफेक्ट, ऐसा नहीं लेने का है। इफेक्ट्स एंट्री इनटू द कॉज ऐसा लेना है। इफ यू से इफेक्ट एंटरिंग इनटू द कॉज प्रवेश, देन जीवात्मत्वम जहियात, यू हैव टू गिव अप जीवात्मा। द जीवात्मा इज देयर, so जीवात्मा would go. What will happen if pot enters into mud? The potness would go. If ornament enters into gold, the name and form of ornament would be dissolved. If jiva entering into Brahma is called pravesha, then where is jiva? Jivatvam also will end. यथा घटः मूर्तप्रवेशे घटत्वं जहाति. If the pot enters into the mud, घटत्वं जहाति. घटत्वं, the potness, it has to give up. तदेव अनुप्रविशत इति च श्रुतेः न कारण अनुप्रवेशो युक्तः. Therefore, it cannot imply that the effect entered the cause. This cannot be implied. It's not possible. Now imagine the student's condition. वो बाल पकड़ने लग गए अभी, अपना बाल, गुरु का नहीं, खींचने के लिए. अब ये भी मानते नहीं हो, वो भी मानते नहीं हो. आपका सीक्रेट एजेंडा क्या है? तदेव अनुप्रविशत ना. तो बट ही इज नॉट लेफ्ट. ही सेज कार्यांतरमेव स्यात् इति चेत्. ठीक है, तदेव अनुप्रविशत इति जीवात्म रूपम कार्यम नाम रूप परिणतम कार्यांतरम एव आपद्यत इति चेत. Now sir, let the entry be into another effect. One effect. Why should you take Brahma is there? Brahma has lot of effects are there. One effect is Jiva, other effect is Nama Rupa. So one effect called Jiva entered into Nama Rupa effect, another effect called Nama Rupa. Mud has many effects. One effect is the powder, other effect is the pot. So Paramatma, the Brahman has two. So one effect entered into another effect. ऐसा लेंगे. Creator is not entered. Effect is entering. Pravesha. One karya entering into another karya. Karanam na. Because कारणम एंटरिंग इनटू कार्य. बड़ा लेक्चर देते हो मुझे. मैंने कहा फिर एटलीस्ट ठीक है, कार्यम एंटरिंग इनटू कारण. आप बताते हो जीवत्वम आल्सो जहियात. तो यूं सोचते प्रवेश शब्द भी करेक्ट है. हाँ, ब्रह्म इज वन, ठीक है. बट ब्रह्म हैज अनेक कार्यास, effects are plenty. Yes, one effect is entering into other effect. If we say so, जीवात्म रूपम कार्यम नाम रूप परिणतम कार्यांतरम एव आपद्यते इति चेत न. Why? विरोधात्. It is contradiction. नहीं घटः घटांतरम आपद्यते. Now, part doesn't enter into another part. You want this argument? Should I conclude here? आपका शक्ल में थोड़ा वो परेशानी दिख रही है. हाँ, किसको और क्या और कौन से सिद्धांत को आप मान के बैठे हो? इससे अच्छा द्वैत अच्छा है ना. भगवान वैकुंठ में सोया हुआ है, जीव अलग है, विशिष्टाद्वैत परेशानी है. द्वैत परेशान है. मान लो भैया जगत सच है, परमात्मा अलग से दूर से बैठे हैं, मैं जीव हूँ, उन्हीं से निकल के बाहर आया हूँ, फिर उनके पास मिलना है. बस हो गई बात, काम खत्म. एक है झंझट पूरा. तदेव अनुप्राविशतु तदेव अनुप्राविशतु. क्या झंझट पकड़ पापा. इसलिए वेदांत सुनने के लिए कोई शुद्ध आता नहीं. ये फिर सिर पकड़ बाल पकड़ खींचना पड़ता है. क्या वाइल्ड थॉट्स, दे आर कॉल्ड अनइमेजिनेबल. घटः घटांतरम न आपद्यते. व्यतिरेक श्रुति विरोधाच्च. मोरोवर इट इज कॉन्ट्रडिक्टिंग द वैदिक टेक्स्ट आल्सो. जीवस्य नाम रूप कार्य व्यतिरेक अनुवादिन्यः श्रुतयो विरुद्धेरन्. No, the Shrutis mention very clearly that the Jiva is different from Nama Rupa. Shruti Mata says. No, you say that one Jiva entering into Nama Rupa and one effect Jiva, other effect Nama Rupa, and one effect entering into other effect. What are you talking? You brought Nama Rupa and Jiva on the same plane, called them both different effects of born out of Brahman, and you are telling one effect entering into other effect, which is equally impossible. But when you say that Nama Rupa also is an effect, Jiva also is an effect, you are putting on the same status of Jiva with Nama Rupa. But what about Shrutis which mention very clearly that Jiva is separate from Nama Rupa? Rupam Drishyam Lochanam Drik Tadrishyam Draktumanasam Drishyadi Vrittaya Sakshi Druge Vanatu Drishyate. In that entire Shastras, great Mahatmas, Veda, Yad Drishyam Tad Nashyam. Yad Drishyam Tad Jadam, Yad Jadam Tad Nashyam. Mano Buddhi Ahankara Chittani Naham. So all these things point out scriptures, Vedas, Mahatmas, they say that the jiva is different from names and form. Because jiva is chetanatmakam, nama rupa is achetanam, ishakaryam jivabhogyam. So the Shrutis which upheld this Siddhanta that jiva is different from names and form, you are thrashing that also. So this thinking that one effect entering into other effect is also ruled out. Viruddheran. So you are contradicting that thought of Shruti also. Tadapattau, moreover, if soul merges into name and form. अब देखिए आपको क्या पता है, जीव एंटरिंग इनटू नेम एंड फॉर्म. अय्या भैया अब क्या होगा, मोक्ष असंभवम. देन इफ दैट इज द केस, मोक्ष बिकम्स असंभवम. व्हाट इज मोक्ष? जीवास लिबरेशन फ्रॉम प्रकृति. आप क्या कह रहे हो, जीवा को लेकर सारे प्रकृति मिट्टी मिला. अब काहे का मोक्ष? आप चाहते हो मोक्ष. मोक्ष का मतलब क्या है? प्रकृति से मोक्ष. You want to be liberated from प्रकृति. बढ़िया है. अब कर रहे हो क्या? जीवों को लेके मिट्टी में मिला दिया. मिट्टी माने प्रकृति. Just therefore, नहीं यतः मुच्यमानः तदेव. आप जिससे छुटकारा पाना चाहते हो उसी में एक बंधन में डाल रहे हो आप अपने आप को. भैया ये तो बताओ, आपको मुक्ति किससे चाहिए? नाम रूपात्मकम इदम जगत. From this I wanted to liberate myself from प्रकृति. बढ़िया है. आप कर रहे हो क्या? अभी कर आपके सिद्धांत में एक effect going into other effect is leading to other complications, impossible of liberation. Shruti Mata says jiva is different from nama rupa. That also you are contradicting. One effect entering into effect, ghata is entering into other effect, is impossibility. एंड जिससे आप मुक्ति पाना चाहते हो उसी में जाके आप लय हो रहा है आपका लय. ये काहे का सिद्धांत है बेटा? बिकॉज फ्रस्ट्रेशन व्हेन इज इंक्रीजिंग, नो यू डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग. नहीं श्रृंखला आपत्तिबद्धस्य तस्करादेः. ए thief, you know, imprisoned, already imprisoned, and you cannot enter him into prison again. Already imprisoned. What is the big point in putting me again in prison? Already imprisoned, ना? Prison में ही है. He is unchained. That is the meaning. So आपके सिद्धांत जो हम लेते हैं, तो नो ये फिर प्रवेश का मतलब क्या है? आप ये भी मानता नहीं हो कि ब्रह्मन एक ही है, ये नॉट एंटर्ड बोलते हैं आप. तो कितने ऑप्शंस मैं दे रहा हूं गुरु, कम से कम एक ऑप्शन को टिक करो ना. और एक बात है, वन मोर थॉट. बाह्यांतर्भेदेन परिणतम इति चेत तदेव कारणम ब्रह्म शरीराद्याधारत्वेन तदंतर्जीवेत्मनाधायत्वाधेयत्वेन च परिणतम इति चेत न. दिस वी विल टेक अप टुमारो. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय.